Bonjour. You know, design trends come and go, but then there are timeless pieces like French-style doors. Here's a fun fact. These doors really are French. They got their start in the pre-electricity Renaissance period in France, and they were designed to bring in lots of natural light and illuminate spaces that were dark and cavernous. Fast forward 500 years, and a modern version of French doors are still being used to add natural light and bring a touch of charm to homes everywhere. An Andersen Frenchwood patio door offered by Renewal by Andersen is a blend of classic style, old world craftsmanship, and 21st century engineering. You can get a traditional hinged version like this, or it comes in a sliding option too. One of the things I love about the Frenchwood patio door is its versatility. No matter what your needs are, there's a configuration that can work for you. Love natural light but don't have a ton of space? You don't have to do a double panel option like this. You could choose a single panel instead. If you want to save interior floor space, try the gliding option or the hinged outswing. And for capturing those beautiful breezes, try a 2-panel double opening, or go big with a 4-panel glider. No matter which style of Frenchwood patio door you choose, it's your door, your way. With the help of Renewal by Andersen's exclusive start-to-finish signature service, which includes installation. Work with your design consultant to choose a glass option that meets the performance level you need for your climate zone. Pick out hardware that complements your current style or defines a whole new look, or amp up your door design with a wide range of grille options, including custom patterns. There's a reason I have these doors in my home. There's a reason they're a Renewal by Andersen bestseller. And there's a reason this style has been popular for 500 years. It's because it's a look that never goes out of style.